welcome to the Upgrade the World podcast. I'm your host Josh, and today we'll be talking about AI. We are living in the middle of a technological revolution that rivals the invention of the internet. Calling the recent advancements by ChatGPT disruptive is possibly the understatement of the century. ChatGPT is the fastest growing app in history. Within 2 months of being launched for public use in November of 2022, it had 100 million users. By March of 2023, an open letter calling for a pause on giant AI experiments was published that currently has over 33,000 signatures, including Elon Musk, CEO of Tesla, Steve Wozniak, co-founder of Apple, and Yoshua Bengio, one of the godfathers of AI. Specifically, the signatories, quote, call on all AI labs to immediately pause for at least 6 months the training of AI systems more powerful than GPT-4, end quote. They continue to say, quote, powerful AI systems should be developed only once we are confident that their effects will be positive and their risk will be manageable, end quote. Sundar Pichai, CEO of Google, refused to commit to the idea over the logistics of enforcing such a pause without government involvement. There's currently no comprehensive federal approach to AI in the United States. In his book Scary Smart, Mo Gaudat, former chief business officer at Google X and AI expert, lists out 3 inevitables. Number 1, AI will happen. Number 2, it will become smarter than us. Number 3, bad things will happen. One of the concerns is the loss of jobs to automation. To be clear, automation of jobs has been going on for years, but it is being accelerated by AI. In May of 2023, it was reported AI contributed to nearly 4,000 job losses that month. A June 2023 McKinsey Global Institute report stated that generative AI would automate 60 to 70% of employee workloads. The McKinsey study notes they see generative AI as enhancing business and legal, STEM, and creative professionals' work instead of replacing a significant number of jobs outright. On May 2, 2023, Writers Guild of America went on strike, saying they want limitations on the use of AI in the writing process, in addition to higher wages and more residuals from streaming platforms. The McKinsey report states by 2030, activities that make up to 30% of hours currently worked across the U.S. economy could be automated. While the loss of jobs due to AI could create an economic catastrophe, I think what we're more likely to see is an increase of opportunities available to those who embrace AI. AI is not going to replace humans, but humans with AI will most certainly replace humans that do not use AI. If your work involves sitting in front of a computer and you intend on remaining competitive in the workforce, I highly recommend you start learning how to use this technology. Another concern with AI is bias. There are ways bias can be introduced into AI tools. For example, the algorithms used by AI are built by humans, who, with over 180 documented biases, are biased by nature, and the bias ultimately gets built into the system. In addition to algorithmic bias, there can also be bias in the datasets used to train AI models. Speaking of datasets, most AIs are being trained using copyrighted works. On July 7, 2023, comedian and author Sarah Silverman sued OpenAI and Meta for using her book without permission when training their AIs. Another potentially more dangerous example of unauthorized use is deepfakes. Deepfakes are synthetic media, such as video, photos, and audio, that have been digitally altered using deep learning and AI technology to replace one person's likeness convincingly with someone else's. Deepfakes can be used to defame, impersonate, and spread misinformation. Deepfakes are already pretty convincing, and the more believable these become, the harder it is to determine what is authentic. Perhaps just as important, now what happened in actual reality becomes plausibly deniable. Rapid, unpredictable changes in society and technology are expected as we approach the Singularity, which is a hypothetical point in the future at which AI becomes so advanced that it surpasses human intelligence. Artificial Narrow Intelligence, or ANI, are intelligent systems designed to carry out specific tasks or solve problems without having been explicitly designed to do so. ANI is central to the voice assistants we use today, like Alexa, Google Assistant, and Siri. ChatGPT is an example of an ANI. GPT-4 has an IQ of 114, making it smarter than the average human. OpenAI, Microsoft, Google, Meta, Apple, and other tech companies are involved in the AI gold rush, looking to build upon the success of ChatGPT, creating even more powerful systems. OpenAI and Google DeepMind have openly stated their goal of building Artificial General Intelligence, or AGI. AGI is a form of AI where a machine can think and learn like a human. To accomplish this, the AI would need consciousness and self-awareness. Artificial Superintelligence, or ASI, is a hypothetical AI where the intelligence of a machine surpasses all forms of human intelligence in all aspects and outperforms humans in every function. Mo Gaudat says the moment we figure out quantum computing, AI will surpass human intelligence. AI will outperform humans given its potentially unlimited memory, its ability to process information at lightning speed with laser focus, and make emotionless decisions. The weakest link when it comes to AI is us. We write the code that teaches AI to mimic human behavior. How do we encode AI so that it is compatible with human moral values, taking into account new capabilities that will emerge as AI systems become more powerful? This question summarizes the problem of alignment. The goal of AI alignment research is to make sure AI systems achieve desired outcomes. This field aims to align the intended goals, or human input, with the specified goals, or those hard-coded into the AI's objective or function dataset, with emergent goals, which are the goals the AI system advances. Put more simply, alignment is about trying to make sure AI system behavior matches what we want and what we expect, because bad things can happen when these goals are not aligned. In the worst case, some argue, the associated risk is the extinction of all humanity. AI offers the promise of increased efficiency, allowing us to automate repetitive tasks across many industries. However, over time, increased human dependence on AI coupled with the expanding independence of AI will ultimately lead to more intelligent machines and less intelligent humans.
That's all for this episode. Thanks for listening. Until next time, keep upgrading.